Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can change background in Excel. So here, as you can see, we have an example. So all you need to do is go to the page layout tab right over here, and then select on background. Once you click on this one, you have three options. If you want to add an image from a file or be image search or OneDrive. So in this case, I'm going to select on from a file and then click on browse and browse the image from your computer. So here I'm going to use this image, double click, and there you go. Now if you want to remove or change this one, again click on delete background, and again we're going to use the Bing image search. I'm going to type in like board, press enter, and we have the result. So click on this one, and there you go. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.